Hi, I'm Maggie. Again, this is Kobe, our Chef Noir. Today, meron ulit kami ituturo sa inyo. Hi, game. So, this is called targeting. This is one of the basics. So, this will help your dog to follow your hand gesture. So, alam niya na may food yung kamay mo. And then, since more on hand gesture tayo pag nagtuturo ng tricks, this is the best training, basic training for them. So, ito siya. So, ilulure nyo lang yung food. Just be careful na hindi niya makagat yung kamay nyo. Lure lang. Ikot-ikot. Kailangan matuto siyang sundan yung kamay nyo. There. Pwede nyo din iipit dito yung food. Or kung kibble yun, isa-isa nyo ibibigay sa kanya. So, iwi. So, next. Okay, game. So, yung next natin is leave it. You need this especially kapag may gusto kayong hindi ipagalaw sa kanya, like toys or food. So, how to train them, ganito. So, Kabi, up, sit. So, you have a food. Kunwari, ito yung lunch niya or breakfast niya. Kapag binaba mo siya at kinain niya, you get it agad. And pag gagawin mo siya ulit, you put it down, you say, leave it. Then kapag kinagat niya, get it agad. So, uulit kayo, lalo na kung new puppy yan. For her, since alam niya na, kahit wala pang kumana, hindi siya pwedeng kumain hanggat hindi ko sinasabi na pwede na siyang kumain, automatic sa kanya na nag-leave it siya. So, for example, Kabi, leave it. Makikita mo, minsan iniiwasan niya. Ayaw niya matempt. And then, syempre, kapag ni-leave it mo siya, kailangan, you also have pang katulad sa stay, may recall command. Ito naman, syempre, kailangan i-break mo yung command. Hindi pwedeng forever siyang naka-leave it. Kasi hindi niya matututunan kapag hindi mo finri yung command na leave it. So, yung sasabihin mo is, eat. Okay, so kanina tinuruan natin siya ng targeting. So, ito also yung use ng targeting. So, yung next command natin or ituturo natin sa kanya is a trick. Hindi na to obedience lang. So, copy up. So, ang trick na to is itawag na touch. So, for example, touch. Touch niya yung hands mo. Touch. See? So, ang pag-training ng touch is dapat may food ka. And then, kung first-timer puppy yan or dog, ipit mo yung food sa hand mo, sa gitna. And then, papakita mo sa kanya and then sabihin mo sa kanya na touch. Pagkagat niya, sabihin mo touch para maalala niya yun yung touch. So, kabila ulit. May laman. Touch. Paglapit niya, say touch. So, pag alam niya na ita-touch niya yung hands mo kapag nakita niya. So, Kobe, touch. 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 See? Good girl. So, actually, sobrang bilis ko lang tinuro yun kay Kobe. I'm not sure if for other dogs, madali siya. I tried it with Donut and Chip, hindi siya ganun kadali. Kobe is just super smart. Yan. So actually, yun lang for the day. Thank you. So again, guys, I'm not a professional dog trainer. Natuto lang ako ulit again sa YouTube. I'm not advertising YouTube, pero doon lang din ako natuto. So, meron pa tayong mga next trainings with Donut and Chip. Please wait and watch. Thank you.